Smokey, sultry, and chic. This eyeshadow technique is your secret weapon for mesmerizing eyes that captivate with every blink. And it is also the easiest smoky eyeshadow tutorial. Stay tuned because your smoky eye will be absolutely flawless. Apply concealer on your eyelids, but do not set it with powder. It's time to apply cream contour. Use a brown creamy contour at the back of your eyelid. And then blend it outward. Now I take a little bit of this light shade from Urban Decay palette, and then I'm gonna apply it under the brows and blend it downward for a smooth transition. Now I'm gonna place a medium brown in the middle of my eyelids, and then I'm gonna blend it in a circular motions. Just blend all the colors together. I'm trying to create balance between the parts. This is gonna give us dimension. Now layer a dark brown over the medium brown. So I'm gonna take this and then I'm gonna focus on the outer corner for more intensity. Draw a short black eyeliner alongside the lash line for more definition. Now we got to blend this eyeliner with the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a little bit of black eyeshadow from my Revolution palette. And then I'm gonna blend it with a fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna use the same colors I used above for my lower lash line as well. For finishing touches, I'm gonna add a layer of mascara. Now I'm gonna add extra lashes. This smoky eye is super easy, takes just 10 minutes, and it's perfect for any occasions, from casual days to glamorous nights. If you love simple and stunning makeup looks, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I've got more easy tutorials coming your way. You won't want to miss out.